students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. Today we are going to start kinds of sentences. This is the second part. First video we have already uploaded. I hope you all have watched it. This is the second part of the kinds of sentences. In our first part, we have learned about kinds of sentences and we have changed declarative sentence into interrogative sentence. Today we will learn how we are using imperative sentence. What is the use of imperative sentence? Students, as I have already informed you about the four types of sentences, we do have declarative, interrogative, exclamative and imperative. ठीक है? We have already discussed all the sentences, how we are converting it. Today we will learn imperative sentence, what is the use of it. So let's do it. Imperative sentences are used to give first instructions, second warning, and third one is request. Instructions, warning and order, and the third one is request. ठीक है, इंस्ट्रक्शंस में क्या होता है, जैसे कि गो स्ट्रेट एंड टर्न राइट. ठीक है, दैट इंस्ट्रक्शंस वी हैव गिवन. आफ्टर दैट वार्निंग एंड ऑर्डर लाइक गो एंड शट द डोर. ठीक है, don't repeat the same thing again, that is warning. And the next one we do have, that is request. Please Rima, please give me a book for a day. Rima, please give me your book for a day. That is request. So imperative sentences are like that only. So we are converting these things, whatever the sentence it will be assertive, it will be exclamative. The things will go according to these three parts, these four things. Understood? So this is the things that we have in imperative sentence. Students, as you know, we have discussed the clauses in our previous videos. ठीक है, two type of clauses we do have, dependent clause and independent clause. On the basis of that clauses we have three type of sentences. On the basis of that clauses we have three type of sentences, that is simple, complex and compound. As you must have heard about these three sentences, this keeps a proper place in a sentence. कोई भी सेंटेंस में ये इंक्लूडेड होते ही हैं, एंड इट डिपेंड्स ऑन आवर क्लॉजेस. एज आई हैव इन्फॉर्म्ड यू अबाउट द क्लॉजेस स्टूडेंट्स, it is a group of words. It is a group of words. Have two types. First, dependent, and the second one is independent. Students, what is dependent clauses? Dependent clauses means the sentence is depend on another sentence. ठीक है, the sentence is depend on another sentence. It is known as dependent clause. What is independent clause? Who stands alone. ठीक है, जो सेंटेंस है वो अकेला ही खड़ा है. that sentence does not need anyone. ठीक है, that sentence does not need anyone. He is the one, the sentence is the one who stands alone. Understood? So the dependent clause and independent clause, they both are clauses. ठीक है, that I have already explained you in a very detailed manner in our previous videos. Adverb clause, noun clause, adjective clause, ठीक है, conditional clause, all the clauses we have already done. So according to this, we have a sentences simple, complex and compound. So today the video is for simple, complex and compound sentences, how we are converting all those sentences in according to their manner. ठीक है, so what is simple, what is compound and what is complex? Let me explain you all those things in details. So let's move to that. Now students, as I told you, what is clauses? Clauses means a group of words. ठीक है, in that group of words means which gives a proper information about a sentence. उसमें सब्जेक्ट भी होगा और वर्ब भी होगा. क्या होगा क्लॉसेस में? सब्जेक्ट भी होगा एंड वर्ब भी होगा. एग्जाम्पल, she laughs. ठीक है, she laughs. So this is my subject and this is my verb. So I can say this is my clause. ठीक है, दो वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं which makes a meaningful sentence. She laughs, वो हंस रही है, so it makes a sentence, right? So this is our clause. It includes subject and verb. After that, there are some of the sentences. There is a verb, there is a subject, but they don't give a proper information about the sentence. ठीक है, as you know that clauses are known as dependent clause. ठीक है, there are some of the clauses which gives proper information that you need to remember, students, very carefully. There are some of the sentences which gives proper information, full information as I can say, about the sentence. That sentences are called independent clause. So what is simple sentence? Simple sentence is equal to independent क्लॉज. सिंपल सेंटेंस को किसी भी दूसरे सेंटेंस की जरूरत पड़ती नहीं है. दैट सेंटेंस कैन बी स्टैंड अलोन. एज आई कैन से आई एम हैप्पी. I am happy. This is my subject, this is my verb and this is my adjective. ठीक है, this sentence is stand alone. This gives a proper information that I am happy. She cries. She cries. ठीक है, what is given in it? Subject and verb. Understood? Subject and verb. But this sentence also gives me a meaningful sentence. ठीक है, these two words also gives me a meaningful sentence. That is I am happy. Subject, verb and adjective. So simple sentence is nothing, just a independent clause. A sentence who is alone in the वर्ड्स. ठीक है, वर्ड्स के ग्रुप में वो एक अकेला खड़ा है. हु गिव्स अ प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द सेंटेंस व्हाट वी आर स्पीकिंग. दैट सेंटेंस इज नोन एज सिंपल सेंटेंस. ठीक है, इंडिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस होता है, वो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होता है. ठीक है, उसमें वर्ब एक ही होता है. ओनली वन वर्ब. कितने वर्ब होंगे? ओनली वन वर्ब इन सिंपल sentence. Understood? So this is our simple sentence. It's very, जैसा उसका नाम है वैसा ही वो sentence है. So next we have compound sentence. वो थोड़ा सा tricky है, but don't worry students, I am here to solve your all the difficulties. So let's move to the compound sentence. Now students, what includes in compound sentence? Nothing. There is a two independent clause. ठीक है, compound sentence में क्या होता है? कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में क्या होता है? इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज प्लस इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. But these two clauses will be joined by the conjunction. क्या लगेगा इसमें बीच में? कंजक्शन. ठीक है, इन दोनों के बीच में कंजक्शन यूज होगा. भले ही दोनों सेंटेंस इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे, बट देयर शुड बी सम कोऑर्डिनेशन इन इट. इन दोनों के बीच में क्या होना चाहिए? कोऑर्डिनेट. एक सेंटेंस एक की बात कर रहा है, एक सेंटेंस किसी और की बात कर रहा है, दैट विल नॉट वर्क इन कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. दोनों सेंटेंस इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे, बोथ द सेंटेंस विल बी इंडिपेंडेंट, but there will be some coordination in it, and yes, it will be joined by the conjunction. ठीक है? So let me give you one example about it. I want to go to work, but I am tired. I want to go to work, but I am tired. Now, how two independent clauses are there? See students, I want to go to work. ठीक है? This makes a meaningful sentence. Yes, it makes. I want to go to work. मुझे काम पर जाना है. ठीक है? अब but को छोड़ दो, because this is the conjunctions which joined in the compound sentence. Next clause we have I am tired. I am tired. मैं थका हुआ हूँ. ठीक है? Here also it is I. Here also it is I. ठीक है? तो दोनों के बीच में कोऑर्डिनेशन है. ये उसी बंदे के बारे में बात हो रही है, ये भी उसी बंदे के बारे में बात हो रही है. But the thing is, we have joined with the conjunction but, and there are two independent clauses in the sentence. ठीक है? जहां पर भी whenever the two independent clauses will be there in one sentence, that sentence will be known as compound sentence, and yes, it will be joined by the conjunction, and there will be a comma over there. ठीक है? As I have explained you, ठीक है, it's very easy about compound sentence. I told you थोड़ा सा ऐसा ट्रिकी लगता है, but nothing is there in it. It's very easy. Next sentence, I will kill you or you will kill me. I will kill you or you will kill me. ठीक है? I will kill you or you will kill me. Here I will kill you. This is the first independent clause I do have, and the next one, you will kill me. ठीक है? This is the second independent clause I have. Independent बीच में comma और conjunction. It's very easy to identify that this is compound sentence. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग? यस सर, इट्स वेरी इजी. यस डेफिनेटली बच्चों, इट्स वेरी इजी. नाउ आफ्टर दैट वी हैव कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. वो थोड़ा सा इसका नाम कॉम्प्लेक्स है बट उसमें भी कुछ नहीं है. दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इजी. सो लेट्स डू दी complex. Now students, in complex sentence what includes in it? Complex sentence में there will be one independent clause plus dependent clause. ठीक है, कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में एक जो है वो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होता है, द सेंटेंस विच इज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन अनदर सेंटेंस, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज, द सेंटेंस विच इज डिपेंड ऑन द अनदर सेंटेंस. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल में मैं आपको समझा रहा हूं हाउ इट कम्स. although he is wealthy, still he is unhappy. ठीक है, although he is wealthy, still he is unhappy. This although he is wealthy or he is unhappy. Now students, you have to recognize which is dependent clause and which is independent clause. So it's very easy to identify that this is independent clause. Why? इतना पैसा होने के बावजूद क्या? ठीक है, इतना पैसा होने के बावजूद क्या? सो दैट शोज ही इज अनहैप्पी. अगर मैं इस सेंटेंस को अलग कर देता हूं यहां तक, सो दिस गिव्स मी अ प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन. यस, ही इज अनहैप्पी. सो दिस गिव्स मी अ प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन दैट ही इज अनहैप्पी. ठीक है, वो क्या है? अनहैप्पी है. अंडरस्टूड? वो खुश नहीं है. Although he is wealthy, he is wealthy, still he is unhappy. So this is the sentence. How complex sentence look like this. ठीक है, एक जो है वो dependent clause होता है और दूसरा जो है वो independent clause होता है. Now move to the next sentence. Whenever price goes up, customers buy less products. ठीक है, whenever price goes up, customers buy less products. जब भी प्राइस बढ़ता है, क्या? जब भी प्राइस बढ़ता है. यहां तक अगर हम सेंटेंस देखें तो क्या हमें पता चल रहा है? that this shows a independent clause. customers buy less products. कस्टमर कम प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं. this gives me a meaning. ठीक है, so I can consider this as a dependent clause. ठीक है, independent clause, but this is my dependent clause. Why? Because whenever price goes up, जब भी प्राइस ऊपर जाती है तो क्या? जब भी प्राइस ऊपर जाती है, हम वहां पे स्टॉप हो गए, जाती है. जब भी प्राइस ऊपर जाती है, what exact meaning of it? We are not getting anything. ठीक है, सो हमें उसी टाइम स्ट्राइक हो जाएगा दैट दिस इज अवर डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज एंड दिस इज अवर इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. सो रेस्ट I will show you some of the examples. We can identify which is our simple, which is our complex, and which is our compound. So let's do the exercise. Now see the exercise. We need to identify the sentence. Which sentence it is simple, complex, or compound. So first, 2 minutes ago the child was fast asleep, but now he is wide awake. As we can say, 2 minutes ago the child was fast asleep. This also gives me a meaning that 2 मिनट पहले बच्चा जो है वो जल्दी से सो गया. Now he is wide awake और वो अब उठ गया है. ठीक है, so this gives me a information that this is my two independent clause and which is joined by the conjunction but. So you remember what I have teach you, that when two independent clause will be there and it is joined by the conjunction and there will be a coordination between the two independent clauses, that clause is our compound clause. So this is my that clause is known to be as a compound sentence. ठीक है, next, I guess she just does not respect you. I guess is my first clause and she just does not respect you is my second clause, which gives me a proper information, which makes a meaningful sentence. Yes, this sentence, she just does not respect you. I guess मैंने guess किया क्या, ठीक है, so which sentence it is? One dependent and one independent clause, which makes a sentence as a complex sentence. ठीक है, it was Sam who paid for the drinks. ठीक है, it was Sam who paid for the drinks. Here it was Sam is my first clause. Who paid for the drink is my second clause. Who paid for the drink, भले ही वो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बन रहा है मेरा, बट मुझे कुछ उसमें से इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है दैट किसने ड्रिंक्स पे पे किया. ठीक है, सो एक है डिपेंडेंट और एक है इंडिपेंडेंट. यस, दैट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट, he killed the tiger easily. जितना इजी ये सेंटेंस है उतना ही अपना सेंटेंस सिंपल है. सो आई टोल्ड यू वो अकेला ही खड़ा होगा, अकेला जो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज खड़ा हो उसको कौन सा सेंटेंस होगा, वो सिंपल. सो दिस इज माय सिंपल सेंटेंस. ठीक है, Ravi can be rude at times but he is a nice boy. This is first dependent clause. Ravi can be rude at times. ठीक है, he is a nice boy. This both are my independent clause which is joined by the conjunction but. So students, this is both, this is compound. ठीक है, so I hope आप सबको ये अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा. सिंपल, कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड कंपाउंड एक बहुत ही ट्रिकी सा, मैंने बहुत ही सिंपल वे में उसको कन्वर्ट करके आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस वेरी इजीली. ठीक है, इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. टिल दैट, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, स्टे एट होम, स्टे सेफ.